Google sent us the Pixel 4 to test, and we haven't published our full review, but it is amazing. It is the best smartphone camera we've ever tested, and I usually use an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It produces better results. Portraits are better, the bokeh is better. It uses Google AI to eliminate star trails, meaning you can expose both the foreground and the stars in a really long exposure in a way you've never been able to do before. Their Black Friday deal is great and it's going fast, so snatch it up quickly.
Looking for an excellent first camera? The Fuji X-T20 is $800 for the kit. This isn't that camera, I just wanted to hold something. Are you looking to go up to full frame? Well, the Nikon workhorse camera, the D750, the one a ton of professional portrait photographers use, is now $997. This isn't it. I still wanted to just hold something. What about full frame mirrorless? We love the Sony A7 III. This is actually it, and it's a great deal right now. It's $1,800. My sweet precious baby, the D850 with a grip, $2,800. Holy crap, that's a really good deal. If we're not describing something that you're looking for, still check the links down below, because as we're finding deals, we're adding them down below, and they could be there. If
you know someone who wants to be a vlogger, we recommend the Canon Cameras because they have this flip screen and this amazing AF. That's what I'm using now. The Canon 80D, which we used for our YouTube channel for years, is on sale with a lens and a mic for $1,300. That's fantastic. Or maybe you want to get this kind of nice background blur. You can only do that with a full frame camera like this Canon EOS RP that I'm showing off here. It's $999 with this adapter, allowing you to put on any Canon DSLR lens. $1,000 for full frame vlogging camera. That is definitely what I'd recommend. Or if you have a few more bucks, you can get the Canon EOS RP, which I'm recording with now, that provides just a little bit better autofocus and a little snappier performance.
Hello, I didn't see you there. I was too busy reading my own book cover. It's new, we updated it. It's got 20 hours of video. It's 35% off. It's the #1 book on Amazon. If you get it from our store, then we sign it, which is super cool. I'm also wearing my own shirt. I'm a narcissist. One of my favorite deals is on this gravity backdrop. They have a bunch of beautiful hand-painted backdrops on canvas. This one is always hanging in our studio. It's such a versatile backdrop. It's classic. It's used with a bunch of celebrity portraits. And right now, if you order a large or an extra large, you get a free small backdrop and free shipping.
If you're thinking about getting into drones, DJI is having a huge sale. Check the link in the description to check that out.
This is the backpack that I use, called the Advanced Active Backpack. I use the small, and it's like 28% off right now. It's only $50, and this has ended up being my favorite bag. They have a large one too, but this one's great for small people. You can fit your camera in here. I like that you can fit your personal items in the top, because I'm always traveling with like a hat or something warm. So this is a great deal right now, and I highly recommend it.
Alexa, play royalty-free music. The Amazon Dots are fantastic. I like to have one in every single room. You can get one for $22 right now. You can listen to music all the time. Just get one and try it out, because it can change your life. We switched to MacBooks recently because we love Final Cut Pro. So if you know somebody who's into video editing or just needs a new laptop, the MacBook Air is for sale on Amazon, super cheap, grab it quick. When you buy educational photography training at Northrup.photo, this is where I ship the stuff from, and we're having a huge Black Friday deal, 35% off everything from our new stunning digital photography edition with 20 hours of video that we will personally autograph and ship for you if you buy it really quickly, to our Photoshop book, our photography buying guide, our Lightroom book. Those will give you the very best in post-processing training. We also have the art and science of photography and our professional portrait training, which will actually make you money by allowing you to build a portrait business. There's a money-back guarantee on everything. And if you want an even deeper discount, apply that coupon to our bundles, which for the holidays are up to 50% off. Every product we've recommended today is something that we've used and loved, and something that we personally recommend, not just a list of affiliate links. I hope you appreciate that. And if you find something else that you like, add a comment down below. We'll parse through those and put the very best of them in the description, so you can click and find updated Black Friday deals even after we publish this. Thanks.